Have you ever been embarrassed by the foul odor wafting from your shoes when you take them off? Yes, we're talking about smelly feet, a common yet often unspoken issue faced by many. It's caused by a combination of factors, including sweat, bacteria, and poor ventilation in shoes. The result? A stinky situation that can lead to awkward social encounters. While it's a common issue, the good news is that there are effective remedies to tackle this problem. The first remedy might sound simple, but it's often overlooked: adopting good hygiene practices. Now, what does this entail? Well, it starts with washing your feet regularly, but not just with any soap. An antibacterial soap is a game changer. It combats the bacteria that contribute to the unpleasant odor. After washing, it's crucial to dry your feet thoroughly. Moisture is a breeding ground for bacteria, so pay special attention to those areas between your toes. Next, let's talk about socks. Fresh socks every day is a must. It's a simple change that can make a world of difference. And lastly, consider foot powders and sprays. They are designed to absorb sweat and reduce odor. They're the secret weapon you didn't know you needed. Remember, consistency is key. Regular foot hygiene can significantly reduce the occurrence of smelly feet. The second remedy involves natural ingredients you might already have in your kitchen. One such ingredient is vinegar. Soaking your feet in a solution of 1 part vinegar to 2 parts warm water can help. The acidic nature of vinegar alters the pH of your skin, making it less hospitable to bacteria. Another common household item is baking soda. Dissolve about half a cup of baking soda in a bucket of warm water and soak your feet. Baking soda can neutralize odors and reduce moisture, creating an environment where bacteria struggle to thrive. Black tea isn't just for sipping. The tannins in black tea kill bacteria and close pores, helping your feet to sweat less. To prepare a black tea foot soak, steep 2 to 3 bags in a pint of boiling water, then add enough cold water to cool the mixture. Natural remedies can be a safe, cost-effective, and convenient option to combat foot odor. The third remedy involves seeking medical treatments. Antiperspirants, antibiotics, or even Botox might be considered, particularly for the most severe cases. Remember, if the problem persists, it's crucial to seek professional medical advice. Medical treatments can be highly effective, especially for severe or persistent cases of smelly feet. Treating smelly feet doesn't have to be a chore. Remember, good hygiene, natural home remedies, and medical treatments are proven, effective ways to freshen up. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Your journey to better health starts here.